Hey guys, welcome to DelphStack. In this video, we will show you how to access Windows files from Linux using WSL on Windows. We start by opening Windows File Explorer. In the address bar, type two backslashes followed by WSL and a $sign. That is a $WSL. Here you will see a list of all Linux distributions currently installed in WSL. In my case, it is Ubuntu. You can now see all the folders inside your WSL distribution. If we open the same distribution in WSL, we can check the current directory in the Linux system using the pwd command. As you can see, the path is home followed by my username. Now let's open this folder in Windows. Navigate to Home, then open the folder with your username. Create a new text file here. If we refresh the directory in WSL, we can see the file that was just created in Windows. To access Windows files from within WSL, navigate to the Mount directory, change to the /mnt folder. Inside this directory, you will see folders like WSL and WSLG, along with all your Windows drives. In my case, this is the C drive. Opening it shows all Windows files and folders. Here are the contents of my C drive. Everything matches what you see in Windows. Now let's open the same folder in Windows. Here is an example folder. Inside it is a text file. If we open this folder in WSL, we can see the same file here as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.